We just removed a Nile monitor, which is a highly invasive species from the South Florida environment. Hi, I'm Brian Garrett. I'm a wildlife biologist with the South Florida Water Management District. I just got back from the C-43 construction site out towards LaBelle, working with the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission, which is FWC for short. We were able to remove one of the worst exotic lizards there is in South Florida, and that is the Nile monitor. It was actually one of the contractors on site that actually spotted this monitor about a week ago, and his first response was to report it straight to the wildlife biologist here at the Water Management District, and then we got in touch with FWC very quickly after that, and coordination happened rapidly. The traps were actually opened just this Monday, and we captured the lizard on Thursday. So this female Nile monitor was 4 foot 1 inch in length. That was basically from the tip of her nose to the tip of her tail, and she was slightly bit over 10 pounds. It's a pretty good size, even for monitors, that's a pretty good size. They'll go in and they'll eat alligator eggs. They'll eat threatened crocodiles eggs. They'll eat bird eggs if they can get to them. And they'll eat anything from like medium-sized mammals to like rabbits to birds if they can capture them. We found that she had 38 eggs within her. We don't know whether those eggs were viable or not, but regardless whether they were viable or not, we have now removed both the lizard and the eggs from the environment. So we don't believe this particular specimen was part of a population. We are continuing to trap in this location just to make sure. We're not going to just say, hey, we don't think so and just quit. We're going to continue to have traps out there for at least another week or two to make sure that we don't capture another one.